Hello, welcome back. So in this lecture, we will be talking about design intent. Design intent is very simple. So a good way to think of design intent is you are thinking of it in a way as to when you want to design, for example, this part is your plan of action and how you think that part should be designed so that when you try to update it in the future, it makes it easy for you to update. So I'll show you an example. So if I roll this part back, you can see the design intent for this part. These two features were created first, then this feature was created, and the fillet were applied. So that way now, let's say the dimension has changed, and I just go back into my sketch and I change my dimension, and I change this to 1 and I change this to 1.5, and when I close it, everything updated without me getting an error message. So that is your design intent. It's just pretty much thinking about how you are going to design the part that everything will go smoothly whenever you have to go back and update something. So that is pretty much the definition of design intent, or how I say it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.